Hi everybody, this is foXnoMad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by taking a look at the Nasdaq MagBuddy wireless vent charger for your car. Now, as many of us are upgrading to phones that have wireless charging enabled, you're probably looking for a way to wirelessly charge your phone in your car. And most of the chargers that are available aren't very creative, so they have these arms or holsters that are cumbersome. They're used to hold your phone in, but they also make for a very bulky product that doesn't really look nice either. And having those arms and holsters doesn't make it as easy to take your phone in and out when you're quickly on the go, which is usually the case in your car. And this MagBuddy charger tries to get around that problem of arms by getting rid of them completely by using very powerful magnets. So essentially what you get is you get this very small magnetic head for wireless charging, you get these charging cables over USB, and you also get this car charger if your car doesn't already have a USB port in it. And the instruction manual makes it very clear that you're going to want to use this particular car charger if you're going to plug it into your car directly. Otherwise you might have some problems with the charger, some overheating, and so on. So if you do get this charger, be sure to use this carport charger instead of any other ones you can find. And the second thing you want is fast charging, and MagBuddy tries to solve both of these problems in this wireless charger. That is, having a charger that doesn't have any cumbersome arms or holsters, and a charger that charges very quickly. So right out of the box you have this wireless charging head, you've got this USB-C cable, and you've also got this car charger, plus two of these magnets, which is really the secret behind this charger, but more on that in a second. Now once you've got all that set up, you're going to want to place the magnet on your phone, and MagBuddy has this card which shows you exactly the optimal placement for the magnet, and the magnet doesn't have to be placed directly on your phone. It will work through most cases, like this of Harry Potter case. Now the key to making all of this work for the MagBuddy is that these magnets are very powerful. So although it looks very flat and small, it's a very powerful magnet, enough to hold your phone very solidly, so it doesn't feel like your phone is ever gonna fall off the charger. Makes it easy to take on and off the charger, and honestly without the arms it's a very quick process. The only thing that you'll want to keep in mind is that the magnet is going to be placed directly on the charger and not the center of your phone. That's one thing that I came across when I was using this, was that a lot of times I was trying to sort of center the phone on top of the charger, and instead I would miss the magnet, so it didn't feel quite secure. And sometimes when you miss the magnet, charging doesn't really initiate, so you've got to just remember to place the magnet on top of the charger and not try to center your phone on it. But once you get into the habit of placing the magnet directly over the charger, you shouldn't have any problems from there. So once you've had a taste of using these magnets, it's really hard to go back to any other kind of charger. Now in terms of the speed of the charging, it really depends. Now this is a 10-watt charger, which is a lot of power that can be put into a phone, and the MagBuddy has QI wireless charging, which will work with most modern phones. That's most iPhones, most Samsung, pretty much any phone that supports wireless charging. One of the higher end phones is going to work with this charger, and the MagBuddy automatically throttles the amount of power that it's giving to the phone based on how much charge is left. When your phone is very low on power, you'll get about 1% per minute, if not faster. So you can imagine if you're in the car for about 30 minutes, that's going to add 30% or more battery life to your car. But again, like I said, the charging is throttled, so that might actually increase as the battery gets closer to full. Now, as great as this charger is, it is $60, which is about 3 times the cost of other wireless chargers that you'll find. Now, when I say other wireless chargers, those chargers won't have this magnetic strip, they'll have holsters, and they might not have fast charging either. So in essence, what you're paying for here is the magnet technology and the fast charging. And if you're in your car a lot, it seems like it would be worth having fast charging and also being able to get in and out of your car quickly without having to worry about dropping your phone or stuffing it in and out of a charger with arms, which also, by the way, is going to put a lot of stress on the vents of your car. So a lot of that stress going into chargers with arms is going to go into the vent as well, and so you might damage your vent and end up with some expensive repair to try to fix that vent. So if you're the type of person that's always running at 1% and spends a lot of time in your car, I think it's worth spending just a little bit more to get a charger that's not only going to charge you quickly, but is also going to allow you to get in and out of your car conveniently and reduce the chance of you damaging the vents in your car, but also the chance of you dropping your phone in your car, which is really common if you have one of these chargers with arms. As you're trying to get that in and out with 2 hands, a lot of people end up dropping their phone, which is obviously going to be more expensive than a charger. So there you have it. That's the Nasdaq MagBuddy wireless car charger. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Would you pay $60 for a wireless charger for your car to get fast charging and also to avoid these arms that all the other similar products tend to have? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.